Hello, and welcome. In this presentation we would like to introduce our Webster Plus demo application. One of the best ways to learn about what you can do with Webster Plus is to see it in action. So with this in mind, we created a Webster-based application. Better yet, we designed the demo so that you can take your own self-guided tour. But more about that later. Let's start by introducing the demo application, which represents a typical order entry and accounting system. It is set up for our sample company, Canadian Automotive Toy Supplies, or CATS, for short. On the sidebar, you will see 6 links. Each one of these represents various departments, or business functions. Selecting a link will launch a separate browser tab, with its own landing page and menu. Selecting items from the top menu brings up various application pages. These pages were mostly created using the PX Plus file maintenance generator. For example, the Product Master file maintenance page was created using the generator and contains 5 folders: General, Inventory, Stats, Description, and Sales. A query button allows you to select from a list of records contained in the master file. Or, you can use the forward and back buttons to browse through the records, one at a time. Throughout the application, you will see examples using features built using the Nomad's query system, and dynamic images, such as smart lists. Some pages even provide the ability to upload your own image. Since we use the PX Plus file maintenance system to generate many of the screens are fully responsive, and will automatically adjust to the size of your browser window. To show versatility, not all pages in the demo system were generated. Some pages were manually defined. This allowed us to use a number of the advanced Webster features, such as lists and grids for data entry. In other examples, the PX Plus report writer was used to create a variety of reports. These were made accessible through the Webster Plus menu subsystem. The objective of the demo system is to show you what you can do with Webster Plus. We wanted to provide you real-life examples, and most importantly how you can create web applications with Webster Plus. We invite you to use the Webster Plus inspector to view the various pages and programs that make up this demonstration system. Now, to request access to a private viewing of the demo application, go to the following website. You will need to provide us with your email address. This will allow us to send you a link to a private copy of the demo application. The first time you go to the link provided in the email, the system will create your demo site. This link can be shared with your team, so that they can also access your demo. At this time, a required cookie will also be created on your browser. This is required to identify your unique demo site. The cookie enables you to return to your site by simply visiting mydemo.pvxplus.com. Your demo site, the cookie, and the original link will remain valid for 14 days. Once your demo is active, you can sign on using either your email address or the username admin. The password will be pxplus2021. You will now be able to tour the Webster Plus application demo. Independent copies of the demo site are maintained for each email address. As such, feel free to check out the various options on the site. Any changes you make will only appear using your unique login. Should you need to delete or restore your site to its original state, simply revisit testdrive.pvxplus.com. For any questions or issues regarding the demo site, please use the Webster Plus discussion section of the PX Plus user forum at forum.pvxplus.com. This completes our introduction to the Webster Plus demo application. Please, check out our demonstration site using the link shown here. This will allow you to test drive our Webster Plus sample application, and get a feel for the road ahead. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Webster Plus training videos.